You did everything right. You opened a savings account. You move money in every month, 100 here, 200 there, and after a year, you open your banking app, $10,000 sitting there, earning $50 in a year. You've been doing the responsible thing, and it's barely keeping up with a pizza. Sid looked at what happens to that same $10,000 if you just move it one step further. The difference is almost insane. Most people never do the math. $10,000 in a savings account at 1%. After 20 years, $12,000. $10,000 in a basic index fund, historically averaging 10% a year. After 20 years, $67,000. Same money, same 20 years, $55,000 apart. The gap isn't between people who spend and people who save. The gap is between people who save and people who invest. And here's what Sid finds wild. Most people never make that jump, not because of math, because saving feels safe, investing feels scary. Your savings account doesn't drop 5% on a random Tuesday, but that stability, that's not protection. That's just slow loss. Sid's path, 4 moves. First, build your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, in cash. Don't touch it. Don't invest it. This is the money that keeps you from panic selling everything in a crisis. Second, separate the buckets mentally. Safety money, growth money. One doesn't move. One is allowed to fluctuate. That's its job. Third, start small, $50, $100. The amount doesn't matter yet, the habit does. Fourth, index funds. You're not picking winners, you're buying the whole market at once. Warren Buffett recommends it. Sid recommends it too. It's boring, it works. That's the point. Saving gives you stability. Investing gives you freedom. The earlier you combine both, the less you have to work later. Follow lazy money. Your future self is already napping.